Good day, ma'am, sir. I'm Emilia Ramos, 45 years old. I live in the Philippines. I am a single mother with 4 kids, ages 30, 28, 24, and 20. I have one brother and 3 sisters. I am the eldest in the family. I am hardworking, patient, obedient, trustworthy, responsible, and hardworking. I have work experience abroad in Saudi Arabia, UAE, and Hong Kong. My duties and responsibilities are taking care of 3 children, doing household like cooking, cleaning, ironing, pet care, gardening, and car washing. I hope you will give me a chance to be your helper in your family, and I promise to take care of your family, especially if you have kids. And I promise to finish my contract and serve your family as long as you need. Thank you, ma'am. See you in Hong Kong. Have a good day.